Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn about 10 different birds. Are you ready? Let's fly! Look, this is a parrot. The parrot is green and can talk. This is a peacock. The peacock has beautiful, colorful feathers. Here is a sparrow. The sparrow is small and cute. This is a crow. The crow is black and very smart. Look at the pigeon. The pigeon can fly high in the sky. This is an eagle. The eagle is strong and flies very high. Here is an owl. The owl can see in the dark. This is a duck. The duck loves to swim in water. Look, a hen. The hen gives us eggs. And this is a swan. The swan is white and very graceful. Wow! Today we learned 10 amazing birds. Say the names again with me. Parrot, peacock, sparrow, crow, pigeon, eagle, owl, duck, hen, swan. Great job, kids! See you in the next fun learning video.